Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get credits with Suno. In order to do so, here we are at suno.com, and what we're looking for is on the left-hand side. If you just go here towards the bottom, you're going to see where it shows you how many credits you have. And Suno offers 50 free credits every single day. So you should be able to see at least 50 credits unless you've used them. And if we just click on this, then this is going to take us to the page where we can subscribe. And the other thing here is up at the in this area here, kind of the top left-hand corner, if you have a subscription and you need more credits, then you will see here that it's going to give you the chance to add more credits. Now, keep in mind, if you're in a pinch and you do need to do that, then you certainly can. However, it is much more cost-effective just to pay for the subscription. For $10 a month, you get 2,500 credits, which equals about 500 songs. And so if you're at the end of the month and you need credits and you're in a pinch, then by all means, you can up in this area right here. You can't see it right now, but up in this area here, you should see the option to add more credits. And you can certainly do that. But again, it's not as cost effective as subscribing. So that's all there is to it. That's how you can get credits with Suno. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.